So, this story is that this person wanted to set up a new manufacturing unit in Bangalore, more specifically, Bangalore Urban. And this manufacturing unit was for the manufacturing of t shirts. So, this scheme is very ideal for new entrepreneurs for whom these subsidies are very essential in initial periods of business. Taking on debt in early stages of business help the business owners from selling equity at lower rates. If you like a good short story and if you also like finance, then welcome to this finance story time. Whether you are a startup founder, business owner, beginner in finance world, a student of finance or a seasoned professional, this interesting series on stories of businesses getting funded will keep you hooked. Not only will you understand what type of solution was tapped for what type of funding requirement, but you will also get to know some interesting lessons from the kind of solutions tapped. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Fintelligent Investor channel. I am CA Pratiksha Pai. We endeavor to give you straightforward and educative videos on personal and business finance to reach our vision of financial literacy being made available to all. Everyone likes true stories when it comes to finance. And let us begin the episode 1 of this series on interesting business funding stories. If you feel that my talking speed is slow, you can watch on a faster speed. Let's dive in. So, this story is that this person wanted to set up a new manufacturing unit in Bangalore, more specifically, Bangalore Urban. And this manufacturing unit was for the manufacturing of t shirts. Now, this person was looking out for debt funding, which means he did not want to give out any equity stakes at the early stage. And he wanted to take up bank loans for funding the setting up of his new manufacturing unit. The existing scenario. Of course, many people will want many types of funding, but here understand that this is a new business. The business owner wants whatever maximum favorable terms and incentives possible for MSMEs. However, on the other hand, the issue was that the current state industrial policy only incentivizes units outside Bangalore urban, whereas this unit was proposed to be in Bangalore urban. So we had to look for some scheme which could have incentives for both urban as well as rural areas. We tapped into an option that was available for businesses within Bangalore urban and also offered really favorable terms and incentives for business while funding through debt. You know, right? Debt is loan. The solution for this scenario of setting up a new manufacturing unit within Bangalore urban, we tapped into the PMEGP scheme, that is the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program for the maximum possible benefit to this business. This scheme has subsidies inbuilt for both urban and rural areas and is applicable to general as well as special categories of units, with the subsidies varying from 15% to 35%. So, this scheme is very ideal for new entrepreneurs for whom these subsidies are very essential in initial periods of business. This scheme is available across the country and can be acquired through bank funding. So, no matter where you wish to put up your business, if you are a new entrepreneur looking for good subsidies, you can look at this option. Before going ahead, let me request you, if you like this simple storytelling and if you feel our videos are knowledgeable, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get timely notifications of our future videos as well, which we will articulate in a very simple and easy language. Conclusion. Few things we need to understand while we assist business owners is that every business needs debt funding to grow and stabilize while keeping the equity portion intact. Taking on debt in early stages of business help the business owners from selling equity at lower rates. The debt finance ecosystem provides a buffet of subsidies and other incentives in a quick and easy manner. The business owners should approach the right finance professional to figure out what really works best in their interest. I hope this video was useful to you and will help you make better and more informed financial decisions for your business. Please like the video if you felt that the content in the video was useful and helpful, as well as share it with your friends and family to spread the financial literacy. We will continue to come up with more such educative videos in business finance. Till then, stay subscribed, stay connected. Thank you.